Well, hello everyone and welcome to Momentum channel. My name is Mo, and in this video, as part of our stock market investment portfolio reviews, we are going to be sharing with you our US dollar fractional share portfolio with Interactive Brokers and discuss 9 different stocks that I intend and plan to buy in the stock market in the week ahead. So let's get into it. As you noticed, the list of most anticipated earnings releases in the week ahead, we wanted to share with you. I think that's something that many investors might be interested in. You see some names that either you might have on your watch list or perhaps have it in your portfolio. Some of the names that I'm closely watching includes companies including Blink, Zoom, Domino's Pizza, Salesforce, as well as Okta, Kroger, Costco, Best Buy, TD Bank, and Algonquin. Those are some of the names that personally I'm looking more closely in. I have some of those names in my portfolio and some of the other ones I have on my watch list. And some of them, of course, are scattered through my different stock portfolio. Today's focus is more so on my interactive stock investment portfolio. We have a number of other ones that we've touched on in different videos, and you can check them out in our play series for stock investment portfolio. With that out of the way, let's take a quick look at our portfolio with Interactive Brokers. And as I walk you through it, I'll be sharing with you how my intentions are to go ahead this portfolio in the week ahead and which specific stocks I plan to add and buy more of. All right. On top of our list, we have CrowdStrike. Here we have about 0.3 fractional shares of it, this stock. And the last price for the CrowdStrike is at $182.50. I would like to bring to your attention that this column that shows last is not necessarily actually your last closing price, but it takes into account the after hours stock price. So Friday, when the stock market was closed, after hours, the prices still change, and these column actually reflects that after hours. So just to put things straight and so that you're clear on what this number stands out. We also have 2 other columns towards the end of this table, which tells you what has been the lowest price, recorded price for this stock, as well as what's been the 52-week high price for the stock. And the average price column shows our average purchase price. Now, of course, we have the unrealized profit and loss and unrealized profit and loss percentages, which I'm going to walk you through it. In this case, for CrowdStrike, our shares are down by 2.9%. Next on our list, we have Netflix. We have slightly over 1 shares of Netflix, and it is down by 17%, or unrealized loss of $82. The last trading price after hours for Netflix was at $391, which is definitely much closer to its 52-week low price of $351.46. The highest price for Netflix in the past 1 year was at $700.99. Roku is next on our list, and it is one of those ones that we intend to buy in the week ahead. Here you notice we currently have 1.37 fraction of a shares of Roku. And our average purchase price for Roku stock is at $195.78. Given the last price of $138.95 and our profit and loss being down by 29%, we think we would like to add to our Roku and take advantage of the dollar cost averaging to bring our cost average down. The lowest price that Roku stock had hit was at $102.60. Since then, it's definitely rebounded a little bit, but it's still far away from its 52-week high price of $490.76. Facebook stock is showing negative 8.2%. It is another stock that we intend to buy in the stock market in the week ahead. We currently have close to 0.56 fraction of shares of that. The last trading price for Facebook stock, we call it Facebook. In fact, it's a Meta Platforms, but ticker symbol is FB, was at $210.12. It is down by 8.2%. The lowest that the stock had hit in the past 1 year goes back to this last week, where it hit $190.22. Next on our list, we have NVIDIA, and we have 3.92 fraction of a shares of that, with the prices of last prices of $240.90. Our average price for NVIDIA is at $136.33, showing the growth of 77% for this holding. Tesla is another holding that is showing a 100% return for us. We have 0.64 fraction of a share, and we bought them at the average price of $404.83. Given the last price of $811.10, we are up by 100%. TSM, Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturer, we have 0.22 fraction of a share with an average price of $116.20. The last trading price for that after hours was $111.24, or down 4.3%. UiPath, the ticker symbol PATH, is a software company. We have 2.69 fraction of a share. It is down by 19% given our average price of $40.11. The lowest price for PATH was at $28.81, and the last price after hours was $32.66. PATH is another stock that we intend to add to our holdings in the week ahead. Take-Two Interactive is our next holding. We have close to 0.1 fraction of a share, and it is up by 5.4%. We bought this at an average price of $156.71, and currently, based on the last price after hours, was at $165.20. Plug Power, we have 5.3 fraction of a share with an average price of $28.92. It is down by 22% given the last after hour price of $22.66. Twilio, we have 3.92 fraction of a share. It's down 22% with an average price of $213.44. The last after hour price for Twilio is at $166.45, much closer to its 52-week low price of $147.10. Twilio is one of those shares that we intend to buy in our stock market portfolio in the week ahead. Next, we have Roblox with ticker symbol RBLX. We have 0.49 fraction of a share at an average purchase price of $51.64. Last after hour price for Roblox was at $50.11, much closer to its 52-week low price of $43.50. Roblox is one of those other holdings that we plan to add more and buy in the week ahead. Next on our list, we have Amazon. We have 0.12 fraction of a share with an average purchase price of $3,159.70. Given the last after hour price of Amazon, it is showing to be down by 2.7%. Alibaba is last traded with an after hour price of $107.92. We have 1.22 fraction of a shares of it. It is down by 35%, or about $70 USD in negative territory. Alibaba is one of the other holdings that we plan to gradually add to our existing holdings in the week ahead. Next on our list, we have Etsy. We have 0.33 fraction of a share with an average price of $153.26. Given the last after hour price of $149.29, it is down by 2.6%. We added some shares of Etsy last week. We don't intend necessarily to buy shares of Etsy in the week ahead currently. Okta is one other holdings. We have 2.37 fraction of a share. Our average price is $226.90, and it is last traded for the price of $177.72, or down 22%. Okta is a company that is going to be releasing its latest earnings in the week ahead. In fact, after stock market closing on Wednesday, they will be releasing their earnings. We're going to keep a close eye on it. We might be adding some shares of Okta before that day and after the announcement, depending on how the market reacts. We might add more to our shares of Okta. So definitely is one of those items that we would like to add to our existing shares in the week ahead. Next on our list, we have Costco. Costco is also going to release and report its earnings report in the week ahead after, in fact, at closing hours on Thursday. We're going to keep a close eye on that. If the stock kind of goes down and reacts negatively after hours, and then the day after on Friday, we will be adding to our shares of Costco. So definitely it is on our watch list, and potentially we're going to be adding Costco to our list and add more and buy more shares of Costco in the week ahead. So we're going to add that as one of other potential buys in the week ahead for us. Next on our list, we have NEO. We have 3.10 fraction of a share. It is down by 42%. And the lowest price that it has hit was $18.70. Our average price is at $36.14. The last after our price for NEO is actually at $20.87. NEO is another holding that we will plan to add to our holdings in the week ahead and add more of NEO and take advantage of this massive decline in our purchase price. Adobe, we have 0.64 fraction of a share. It is down by about 1% currently. And in this case, our average price was $471.27. The last after hour price for that was $467. Realty income, the ticker symbol O, we have 1.60 fraction of a share. It is up by 16%. It is a dividend paying stock in our portfolio. ONL is one of those holdings that we acquired through owning shares of Realty Income. It was awarded to us as a result of that. We have 0.16 fraction of a share. It is down by 4%. And last trading price for that was at $16.75. Apple is showing a positive return of 39% for our about 3.1 fraction of a share. It has an unrealized profit of $143 for us. Last average price for that in terms of the after hours was $164.34. Our average price is much lower at $117.84. Disney, we have one fraction of a share. It is showing a positive return of 14% or up $18.60 unrealized. Its last trading price being at $149.40, definitely closer to its 52-week low price as opposed to its 52-week high price, whereby it was at $203.02. And lastly, the only Canadian shares we have in this portfolio is for Very Good Food, and we have 146 shares with an average price of $3.76. Unfortunately, it's been hammered with the last after-hour price at being at 66 cents or down 82%. Well, there you have it, folks. A quick look into the stock market and the shares that we plan to buy and watch closely in the stock market in the week ahead. Do you have any of the similar type of stock in your own portfolio? I would love to hear from you. Be sure to leave me a comment down below and let me know. But if you found this video beneficial and gained something of value from it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit from this video as well. And of course, subscribe to our channel. Here on Momentum Finance, we post every week several videos about investing, whether it's investing in the stock market, dividend stock, growth stocks, investing in bonds, gold, as well as ways to reach financial freedom and how you can save and budget in your way to reach financial independence. Thank you, and I hope to see you next time.